Hey buds! In this release you will see the Japanese sports car Nissan 200SX 1989 release. The first model Nissan 200SX appeared in 1964. Its counterpart was the Nissan Silvia model, only the 200SX was intended for a specific market. The basis of this model is a bright sporty design. Since 1988, the production of a new generation of the model with the S13 marking has started, which was offered to the buyer with several body types: hatchback, coupe and convertible. In the domestic market of Japan, under the hood of the Nissan 200SX, power units of the CA18DET or CA18DE type were installed. For the American market was offered a version with a 12-valve engine KA24DE. Since 1991, the model has been upgraded to 16 valves in the KA24DE engine. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. See ya buddies.